Hey everyone, and welcome. Today I will show you how to download Intuit Quickbooks. Let's get started. First, you want to search this in your Google. Make sure to write the same thing that I'm writing. Then, you will select an option for which country you want to use. Then you can select a product or the version of your QuickBooks. Then after selecting, you can then choose which version you want. After choosing which version, you can now proceed to download your QuickBooks into it. As you can see here, this is how you are going to download it. Just click the button and then wait for it to finish loading. And there you have it. That is how to install QuickBooks into it.